I'm here with the owner of Solutions, Rich Hull. Rich Hull, I understand you're at River's Edge today doing a little bit of asphalt maintenance. Is that correct?
Yes, we are.
This project, you started working on it earlier this spring. Can you tell me a little bit about the project?
Yeah, when it started out, Jay had all kinds of potholes and cracks and stuff in the asphalt, so we'll show later in the video. We started the process actually last fall of repairing all the potholes, and then this spring we finished up the repairs and did the crack filling, and today will be seal coating.
So when you said doing repairs, what does the repairs exactly mean? They're using cold patch?
Nope, we actually burn the areas out that are bad, and we remove that area, and then we put in new road grade mix in there, and we roll it off for a seamless repair.
I understand. So then I also noticed there's some crack filling done here. Is that something your company does as well?
Yes, we do. The crack filling is a smaller version of repairs. A patch that works with our sealer, it's called Crack Master, and our sealer is Seal Master. So they work hand in hand to get a finished product when we're done.
Now, you said you started this a few months ago, and I understand there's different stages in the process, but if I was a business owner looking to do something similar here, how long would I expect my parking lot to be tied up?
The repairs are usually a day. The seal coating is usually a day. So if we start the process, we want to do the repairs first to get the property up to the level it needs to be for seal coating. The thing about seal coating is it can only work if the base is ready for it to be sealed. So the repairs usually a day or so, and then the seal coating a day or so after that.
So if I'm looking to get some repairs done or even look at getting seal coating done, what information do I need to provide you?
All I need is a contact number and an address, and I generally come out and I will meet with the customer. I think in our 2+ years of doing this, I've only basically walked away from one driveway or one lot that it was too far to fix. As a rule, we can fix it and we can make it better.
Now, obviously, repairs take place every year. How often do you recommend coming back and reseal coating someone's parking lot?
Residential's every 2 years. High traffic areas and areas that are plowed quite often in the wintertime, probably yearly, to be honest. We've detailed this area already, and the detailing, for obvious reasons, is we don't want to overspray on any of the landscaping, cement, or obviously the plants. So this is the first step in the process, and as you can see, Mike is about ready to spray. We've been in here earlier in the process, and we've crack filled this area here, and as you come down here a ways, you'll see the patches where all the repairs have been done. So our goal now is to obviously spray this, seal everything. The crack fill has been done. You can see where the areas are, but with the repairs also being done right where he is right now, when we get done with this, as you can see, the seal coat is making a total coating on all the repairs, all the cracks that were filled, and all the other small little areas. So when we get done here shortly, we will have an airtight seal on the actual driveway.
Well, we look forward to seeing the project come to its completion. I'm sure Jay at River's Edge is going to love it when it's done. So we'll be here the rest of the day to take a peek at what you're doing. Thanks for your time.
All right, thanks for your time.